Tesla extends FSD supervised ride-alongs in Europe. Tesla appears to be doubling down on its European full self-driving supervised push, with the company extending its demo ride-along program by 3 months until the end of March 2026. The update seems to have been implemented due to overwhelming demand. Needless to say, it does appear that FSD fever is starting to catch in Europe. Extended FSD demonstrations. Tesla EU Policy and Business Development Manager shared on LinkedIn that the company is offering ride-along experiences in Germany, France, and Italy while working toward FSD supervised approval in Europe. He noted that this provides a great feedback opportunity from the general public, encouraging participants to record and share their experiences. Tesla watcher Sawyer Merritt highlighted the extension on X, stating that dates now run from December 1, 2025 to March 31, 2026, in multiple cities including Stuttgart, Weinstadt, Frankfurt, and Düsseldorf in Germany. This suggests that the FSD ride-along program in Europe has officially been extended until the end of the first quarter of 2026. Following high demand, Tesla has extended its FSD supervised demo program in Europe by 3 months until the end of March 2026, allowing a lot more people to experience FSD for the first time. We are currently offering ride-along experience in Germany, France, and Italy, as we are working towards an approval of FSD supervised in Europe, building momentum for European approval. Replies to Merritt's posts buzzed with excitement, with users like AussieMail noting that Cologne and Düsseldorf are already fully booked. This sentiment was echoed by numerous other Tesla enthusiasts on social media. Calls for the program's expansion to other European territories have also started gaining steam, with some ex-users suggesting Switzerland and Finland as the next locations for FSD ride-alongs. Ultimately, the Tesla EU Policy and Business Development Manager's post aligns with the company's broader FSD efforts in Europe. As per recent reports, Tesla recently demonstrated FSD's capabilities for Rome officials. Reporters from media outlets in France and Germany have also published positive reviews of FSD's capabilities on real-world roads. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.